This tutorial is about CenterView Datafunnels, specifically the SQL Query Editor. So if we are creating a new data funnel, and we know that we are working with our Superstore, and we know that our data is coming from a database, we can use a CenterView database alias. We highly suggest you use CenterView aliases because it allows you to place all of your credentials and connection information in a single place. And then whenever you do happen to change your credentials, either you do it or your IT do it, you can simply change one alias and all of your data funnels which reference that alias will change quickly. So now that we are using our alias to connect to our Superstore database, we can create a quick query. This is our query editor inside CenterView for SQL. It has a tree on the left side which has our database name at the top. It has our tables below that. Under each table are the fields. There are little pop-ups that let you know information about each individual field. You can quickly create a query simply by double-clicking, and it generates the SQL required for that, selecting the information from that table. So we can continue typing on the SQL statement. Maybe we want to limit it based on the product. We get a autocomplete coming up. We can have a few letters and press enter, and we just want digital cameras, or we can also double click in the tree and it will insert the word for us. We may want our DVD players. Now when we preview our query, we will notice that our products are limited to digital cameras and DVD players. Now when we're done with our data funnel, we are out here. We actually get to view our data funnel at this point. It will show up here in the center screen. And we can edit the data funnel either by right-clicking here and going to Edit Using Wizard, or by right-clicking down here and saying Edit Using Wizard. Or if you actually select the database object, over here in the object properties is the query itself. Clicking this ellipse button will bring up the query editor, and we can continue working on our query. We could say we want to order by date. And now when we preview our data, our date is sorted by dates. And we can see that we have data back from 2004 all the way up to the current date. That is how we can use our SQL Query Editor in the data funnel in CenterView.